Hey guys, it's Mike coming at you from an episode of Park POVs. You can see Wildcat is right behind me. I was just at it today, took my first ride of it for the season, for the 2022 season, and just saw a lot of blue marks. As you will see, pretty much the entire coaster is all marked up. So let's take a look at it. You can look closely, you will see this entire section underneath Wildcat's turnaround. All this is getting all marked up in blue. There's also this scrap pile to the left. I'll try to go around to get a closer look, so you'll hopefully see some of that. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but all this is getting you look closer. And I think this is where we saw the marks last week. So as I get closer up there, I'll also get some footage of that. So I thought I would explain to my viewers that are not typically coaster enthusiasts the process of transforming a wooden roller coaster like Wildcat into an RMC or a GCI Titan track. So RMC was a company that came out around 2001. They were managed by Fred Grubb and Alan Schilke in Idaho. And they've been transforming wooden roller coasters that are not as popular into steel hybrid coasters. A steel hybrid coaster, in case you don't know, is a steel track on top of a wooden structure. So what RMC does is basically strip the wooden track that is rough and will put down their steel iBox track on top of the wooden structure. So the ride will keep the same layout, but do something cool and have like steep drops, tons of airtime moments, inversions, and these RMCs typically become one of the best rides in the park. I'd imagine if they RMC'd Wildcat, Skyrush and Wildcat would be the two best rides in the park. You can see how much I love Skyrush. Skyrush provides tons of ejector airtime. It is intense as all can be, and so will this roller coaster. So will Wildcat if it gets RMC. Sorry, I'm new at this YouTube thing, so I'm just getting used to it and getting kind of, you know, my thoughts and explain all this. But another thing I wanted to mention, besides RMC, there are two candidates that have been in discussion with what could happen to Wildcat. The other is GCI Titan track. Now GCI, or Great Coasters International, was the company that built Wildcat. Well, they have since come out with their new steel Titan track just a couple of years ago. They tested it on White Lightning down at Fun Spot Orlando. And they tested it out and it was a huge success. Definitely smoothed that ride out a little bit. So the discussion has been, since Wildcat was GCI's first roller coaster that they built, that it would be so ironic that they would make that the first full conversion into the GCI. I personally hope for the RMC Rocky Mountain Construction conversion, just because RMC coasters have just been phenomenal. I mean, just take a look at Iron Gwazi that just opened down at Busch Gardens, Tampa. My hair's a mess. But yeah, so let's take a look at it. Also, something else I wanted to mention, all the chaser lights on Wildcat have also been removed. I know that a lot of people, but a lot of my viewers are non-coaster enthusiasts. I was told they got removed and put onto Comet instead. But as you can see, there are no more chaser lights on Wildcat. That is interesting. If you look closely, there are more marking across this entire section. It looks like they go all the way back there. And they go all the way over there as well. And then on the brake run, it looks like as well. More blue marks. So this is something interesting. Another rumor that was rumored that GCI came out with a new Titan track, and that Hershey may be getting the first ever GCI Titan track redo. We haven't seen much of that other than Fun Spot Orlando's White Lightning that got retracked. But the rumor that Six Flags Darien Lake in New York was going to put Titan track onto Predator. That is interesting. That is a lot of blue marks that I see. And they go all the way back there as well. Look. Yep. They go pretty far back there. Here's a real close look at them. Yeah, they are everywhere. There's one right there. Yeah. And they're over there. Yeah, these don't seem crap ton of them. Yeah. I don't think I can see any on the other side, but definitely here. It goes all the way up until here. And yet this side, I don't think there are any, but yeah. Yeah, they were not kidding when they said that, to think that this thing was getting RMC. I thought like that it was just going to be in this like little area right here, but they are everywhere. Yeah. Alright. Well, I think that's going to do it for this episode. I will be back next week with another construction update on this. And we'll see if there's any other blue marks. But this is definitely looking interesting. Alright. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Another view from up here at this turnaround. They go all the way here, and then they're also on that. All those over there are all marked up and going into the park. If you look really closely, that does indeed look like that part over there marked up too. That is really... The pre-lift section of Wildcat looks like it's also all marked up. So probably going all the way up the lift hill, this is all marked. That's really cool. Alright, so we are just about to get on to Wildcat. And we will check on the other side of the station if we see any more blue marks. So after my ride, I will tell you this entire section right over here is all marked up if you look closely. You can't see, I won't be able to show you all of it, but I will tell you for sure this entire section is marked up. When I was on the ride, I will tell you, the entire lift hill, the first airtime hill, and the drop were all marked up. So I originally thought, when I came here, this is just like, just a part of it, but I kid you not, the entire ride is marked up in those blue marks. It's just, they're everywhere. You could probably see it behind me, the entire drop, it's all marked up. So that I think is going to do it for today. I will update you if we have any other progress, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time. Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I've got lots more videos coming from Hersheypark, Great Adventure, and Knoebel, so we will see you next time. Bye.